How to fix MSVCP140.dll. Is missing in Windows 11 10s. To fix MSVCP140.dll. Is missing in Windows 11 10s. Try 1. Restore your MSVCP149.dll. 2. Reinstall the MSVCP140.dll file as admin. 3. Reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. 4. Do a clean installation of the program, remove existing program, say, the above-mentioned Microsoft Teams for Windows 10, reinstall the app later. 5. Copy the file to another trusted computer. 6. Run a virus scan for your system using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide.